Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Javier Luthfi, and I'm from Telkom University, and my major diploma information system. Okay, in this meeting, I will present about design of thematic interactive learning media application for elementary school based on Android. Okay, next slide. Okay, in this presentation have a 5-part. The first abstract, the second preliminary, and the third research result, and the last conclusion. Okay, next slide. Okay, for the first abstract, in 2013 the government issued a new learning curriculum. This curriculum is referred to as Curtilas or Curriculum 2013. In this curriculum, the government determines the delivery of thematic-based learning for children. Basically, thematic-based learning is learning where there is one theme that is help several subjects combine, so that the children can immediately learn the first lesson. The learning system will make children seem like playing during training in each lesson. In this abstract, children have a happy vibe and a modern system for learning. Okay, next slide. And preliminary, the design application has several limitations, include the first, the target users of the application are class students on elementary school. Now, in this point, application target for application is to elementary school student. And the point 2, the media shown is focused on presentation of practice question for class student 1 elementary school. In this point, learning more presentation and practice, like Q&A, question and answer. Okay, and point number 3, the scope of this application does not cover delivery of material for students. Okay, and the next point 4, the material displays is the material that are in the scope of thematic material 1 learning. And this last point, application is online, use only offline. Okay, next, research. In the research have a method. The method used in design this application is the waterfall method. The waterfall method is an ordinary the sequential method software development from top to bottom. In the method, waterfall method have a 5 point. The first requirement and design based implementation, and 3 verification, and the last operation and maintain. Okay, the result. In result, like you see in this page, in this slide. In this slide have a 12 sample page that can be shared in a very attractive display image. Why attractive display image? The goal is student don't get bored in the new system learning or in this application. Okay, and the last slide, conclusion. Okay, conclusion. Learning media application have been obtained meet the needs of user for good interactive learning media. The interactive component use sound component and image component. Application also can be used by first grade of school based on which to be primary user of the application is. I think this application very interesting. Besides, so student don't get bored, the system make it easier for teacher to deliver their lesson. Okay, I think it's enough for a presentation. Hopefully it can be useful, more or less. Please forgive. Okay, my name is Javier Luthfi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi